Budget phone ang pag-uusapan natin today inside the Itel A80. And this phone is just being priced at 4,000 something. Ano nga ba meron dito? It's being powered by the Unishock T603, 5,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, 6.7-inch na IPS LCD na may 90Hz of screen refresh rate, 50MP ang kanyang camera, and probably nothing more. Still interested? Don't go away after this quick intro. Itong Itel A80 na may 4 plus 4 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage is currently priced at 4,199 pesos. And as of shooting today, 10/10, ito binagsak ni Itel ang presyo nito. Umabot siya ng mga roughly 3,700 pesos with vouchers. More details on the description box below. Na ano masasabi ko dito sa kanyang design? It looks really nice. I love the design dito sa kanya. Very nice. It's very unique. And meron siyang mala aura ring dito sa likod ng kanyang camera ring. Pero pag inilaw mo siya, yung taas at sa baba ng bulb may ilaw and ang gilid niya, hindi naka-diffuse. Mukha lang siyang ring light. You got your 50MP na camera sensor dito and sa ilalim is just a auxiliary lens, probably for bokeh. And I love the way yung pagka-matte finish dito sa likod. Magandang kapit. Ang gilid nito is plastic frames, plastic back, and I'm not quite sure kung anong glass protection meron nito. One thing to like dito sa kanya is punch hole na siya, hindi siya teardrop notch, and you still have your audio jack dito sa ilalim. Medyo makapal nga lang mga bezels niya on top and on the bottom, and pati sa sides medyo makapal din. For that price point, I ain't complaining. Now, this one is being powered by the Unishock na T603 and running a Antutu benchmark dito, it got me a 148,000 points. And this is the breakdown scores. Ito ang score na nakuha na dito sa Geekbench na benchmark para sa CPU and para sa GPU. Now, itong phone na ito has a standard na 5,000 mAh of battery, which can probably withstand you a whole day without charging. And yung charging support niya is only 10 watts. Quite slow para sa akin. Now, if you're checking naman on the flip side dito sa phone na ito, this one can give me roughly an 11 hours and a half na screen on time based sa PC Mark battery stress test. This is tested under 50% brightness and 60Hz the screen refresh rate, which for me is quite makunat naman ang battery nito. On day-to-day experience, kaya naman niya magtagal ng one whole day without even charging. Basta you're using it normally. Walang heavy gaming or heavy video conferencing. Now, this phone has a screen size of 6.7-inch na IPS LCD. Meron din siya 90Hz of screen refresh rate and ang kanyang maximum brightness, 500 nits. Under the direct sunlight, it's just okay. There are times na medyo mahirapan ka ng konti, but sumilong ka lang ng konti and you'll be able to read everything on this phone. Now, ang display nito is 720p and nung tinry ko naman mag-browse dito ng socials like Facebook, mga Reels, mga Shorts, YouTube, and probably scrolling on Twitter, I'd say okay. But there are times na mafe-feel mo medyo nagiging sluggish siya kunti pag tumatagal. And probably I would say na siguro hindi laging sumisipa ang kanya 90Hz of screen refresh rate. Pag nanonood ka naman ng videos dito sa YouTube, okay, average ang aking viewing experience dito. I wouldn't expect too much from this one, but the quality is not so bad for a price point like this one. Just to set your expectation right. Now, since isa lang loud firing speaker dito sa ilalim, check lang natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sounds. Well, honestly, not so loud ang kanyang speaker, but I would say it's average. Para sa kanyang price point, not so bad. Now, I did play 2 games dito sa phone nito and I did play Mobile Legends and Call of Duty Mobile. Now, pagdating sa Mobile Legends, setting it at medium graphical settings, I would say the gameplay was okay for the first 15 minutes. Nung medyo tumatagal, napapansin ko parang medyo nagkakaroon ng kunting lag. As expected naman siguro, since this is just a very budget-friendly phone, I don't expect to be able to game really smoothly dito sa phone nito. But to my surprise, it was able to give me a good one. Though pag tumatagal nga lang, medyo nagiging sluggish siya ng konti. Overall, the gameplay was not so bad para sa kanyang price point. And pinakamainit na inabot nito is 49 degrees Celsius. Quite hot. Now, pagdating naman sa Call of Duty Mobile, okay okay, the gameplay was a little bit sluggish. I would say na medyo nagkakaroon siya ng frame drops even though na medyo mababa ang graphical settings na nilagay natin. And I'll say na mababa lang naman talagang kaya ng graphical settings. Overall, the gameplay was just so-so. Makakatawid ka naman, but expect mo pag sniper ang kalaban mo, mabilis ka mamamatay. Kasi parang isang skip lang ng frame mo, patay ka na sa sniper. So yun ang na-feel ko dito sa game na to while I was playing VR matches. So after 30 minutes of gameplay, ang init niya, 52 degrees Celsius. Now, quickly pag-usapan na natin ang camera performance niya. 50MP na main camera sensor with auxiliary lens, and this one can shoot you up to 1080 and 30. And ang kanyang harap is a 8MP which can also shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. So quickly rundown lang natin some of the photos na nakuha ko dito sa Itel A80. So starting off with some of these outdoor shot, I would say na not so bad mga shot na ito na nakuha natin. Some of these flower shot na nakuha natin outdoors. Looks nice and crisp, and I would say the colors are punchy. Looks kind of good naman on my point of view dito. And kahit itong rock shot na ito, which is one of my favorite, makita natin there's a lot of details na na-capture dito sa kanyang camera. And equally said din dito sa flower nito, which is probably one of my favorite subject, pag zoom in mo, kita mo there's still a lot of details dito sa flower. If we move into indoor, low light, makikita natin not so bad pa rin mga shot na makuha natin. Though it's not as good as yung mga nakuha natin on outdoors. It's a little softer and the background blur is not so bad. And taking a quick shot like this one looks just plain and simple, and trying to take more bokeh shot looks okay. Hindi lang ganun ka-sharp yung object, medyo soft siya. And taking some coffee bean shot over here, pag zoom in mo, makita mo soft na talaga siya. Now playing with a zoom shot, this is a normal shot and this is a 2x zoom shot. At sila pag zoom in mo, still good and still readable pa rin mga text sa menu.
Magdating sa kanyang selfie camera, ang Itel A80 can perform on outdoor. Not to the point na sobrang ganda niya, but it will be able to give you some decent shot. On some occasion, it might be a little bit soft, pero okay, may details ka pa naman makikita. But when you go indoors, dito mo makikita ang performance ng camera daw. It would really be a lot softer than outdoors, kasi pansin mo, mawawala na most details sa akin buka.
And taking more shot on low lights looks good, pero hindi lang talaga siya ganun ka-sharp. Now, if you're taking a video using the front-facing camera, the video is just so-so. It's quite a shakezilla. Now, using the rear camera, well, mas stable lang kunti compared to the front one. The resolution is just okay, average, pero nakakahilo pa rin kahit anong sabihin natin. Now guys, this one being priced at 4,100 pesos. Should you buy this one? Now, if you're out there looking for a very budget-friendly phone, which can give you all of the basic tasks like social media, taking some simple photos, and browsing on the web, and of course, syempre making phone calls, this is pretty much a good phone to invest. Personally, I love the design. It's very sleek. And one thing na gusto ko nga is naka-punch hole na siya, hindi siya naka-teardrop notch, and quite good din ang kanyang battery performance. And this is probably also good as a backup phone, should you need one. So if you're interested to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili to, I'll be linking the official link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.